India is a growing country, and youth is our backbone. On left side, there is unemployment, and on the right side, we do not get skilled people to hire. Our Education to Employment is the first initiative in the world where we provide purposeful education backed by employment. We started our project in 2004 with 3 children, and now we have 305. We provide free education, schooling, uniform, stationery, and books to all underprivileged children. And as a case study, do not accept any donation. These are migrant laborers' children and live below the poverty line. In India, 83% of children drop out from school as they want to become earning member of their family. Our project Swabhovik is dedicated to develop a system that works for all. We give training and fund unemployed students to run their own independent business as electricians, plumbers, cooks, carpenters, tire puncture shops, and we also fund them to open grocery, fruits and vegetable shops. Our aim is to prepare unemployed and dropouts to enter the job, service market, or run business successfully. We appeal to other NGOs, schools to become our affiliate partners and spread happiness.